2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
Hello everyone, we're here today at Argao. It's in the southern part of Cebu and I'm going to be trying out this Sandali Dulcet Skin sunscreen. This was given to me by Miss Monique Tanya Javier, the owner of course of Dulcet Skin, and she mentioned that this can protect your skin up to 12 hours na di dyan mo mag sunburn. So we're here today at this place, at this beautiful place here in Argao, and oh my god, I can't wait to swim there. So, tinaw siya actually guys, tinaw siya, and there's a house there in the middle. If you didn't know, this house is for rent. It's only 3,500 and it can fit 10 to 15 people. One family, 3,500. That's 24 hours. So you can use the house over there. You can also place a hammock here outside. It's a house. So there's a bedroom, there's a sala, and there's a kitchen. So once again, I'm gonna be trying this out. I'm gonna be using this in one arm, and the other arm it will be completely sunscreen free. So let's check if makaprotect ba jud siya and di gud siya mulagom. So check out the progress later on. Alright, so as promised, I'll be using this on my left arm only, and the right arm will be sunscreen free. And as far copyright po ni. Okay. So I'll be using this only on the left arm. Left. Saan lagi left? So later on we'll compare if what di siya mulagom. Shout out Ma'am Monique Tania.
Okay, again. Hindi ako focus. Ikoy. Okay. Ikoy, look.
Okay. So muna siya. I'll take pictures of both arms. Kaya maglay ang video quality, but I won't be using sunscreen on my right arm, just here. So, update later on. Again, this is the Dulcet Skin Sandali Super Sunblock Water Resistant. This is 500 pesos. There's a larger one which is 850. But I'm just going to try this out. This is SPF 120 PA. So guys, this will be our new life for the next few years. I don't know how long. But we're gonna be staying here in Argao until mag-back to office na ko. So, narami kilid sa highway, but nindot ang dagat. Actually, tinaw siya. Sadly, I did not bring my fins. So, dara ko diri sa mabaw-mabaw. But I'll come back definitely. Kaya doon na kayo sa mua, guys, mga kuan na siya, mga 2 minutes if mag-tricycle. So, I'll be riding the motorcycle, the black motorcycle ni Kid. If I'd like to come here. So, this is just in the highway. Kid says it's near Kingfisher, near the boulevard, and it's owned by his office mate. So, katong gishow na ko ninyo dito, moto tag 3.5. If in case you're looking for a place here in Argao. Right non? Lingaw na kay Chase diha. So, Kiddy actually has a new friend named Laurel. Sleeping. No, don't do that. I want to go there. I haven't been there. I will go there next time. I will go there next time. Ayaw imayin akong bra, guys. Naunta. Actually, na-barbecuehan dere ang kailan ni Kid. Sa unahan na ay Chill Tambayan Bar and Restaurant. Lami kay lang ko ano ito, sisig, ilang grilled chicken and grilled pork. Tag 300 ka na daw yung nabayaran sa tulo ka putahe. So, only rice pa dyan dito. So, ato niya nasuwayan kohon. Ato yun ang vlog na to. But anyway, Chibog meron og barbecue. Oh, nga, nahan pa ka? Say hi, Kiri.
Hi.
Say hi to the camera, oh. Kiri, look at the camera.
Hi.
Ikaw, ano? Taray, mga taray. Ano sila, ay? Nay hamak dito, guys. Nay mga puto. Oh my gosh, guys. Basta ako niyo diri narag ko diri sa Argao niya. Tambay tadi hapon sa payag tunga sa dagat. Ay! Tagay-tagay diri no red horse diri. Nami ilang templas barbecue, guys. Adidas.
Padrive pa sila. Nakausay na po sila.
La, nahan pa siya isaw, love. Nahan pa siya isaw. Busog ka dong? Kapalit pa siya isaw. Bayad naman eh. Bayad na niya akong gipalit. Paad siya isaw. Lami, lami.
Uy, nagbaro ka, Ana Lauren? Nag-asking daw na.
Lami, adod.
Over.
Pero ako ni-upload sa YouTube. Do you watch YouTube? I have a vlog. But I need to edit this one pa.
Okay.
Are you gonna subscribe to my channel?
Yes.
Like a subscriber, guys. This is Argao. Bye-bye!
One, two, three, funky.